a week it will grow like this fast.
Green can make easy. Let me should cover this green because it has a cover. This good, yeah? Mom, this good, yeah, has to cover the green? Good, yes. The cover green, but okay.
조금씩 자리 잡은 널 느낄 때면 괜히 잠을 설치고 괜한 이유로 내게 연락해 매번 같은 실수 반복해 이런 마음이 쑥지 않아 끝없이 생각에 빠져 허우적거릴 뿐이야 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지 않는 너의 메아리를 기다려 Let me know if you want the same feeling as I do 자꾸만 마주칠 때 스치는 너의 그 시선이 어린 방법을 모르는 저기의 저 별과 같아 어쩌면 나만 길을 바라보려는 건 아닐까 주저한 우린 언젠가 길을 잃을 텐데 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지 않는 너의 메아리를 기다려 Let me know if you have the same feeling as I do Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart
going. See? Can you do on how the fire will be like that?
This one goes slow here.
Yeah. See?
This one go fast.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because it got more.
See?
Oh.
Wow, that's amazing, right?
Squish it. That's why my doggy bowed.
So pretty.
Bubble man.
And right there we can see the view because we are a little bit high up. And today we saw a sunset like right there, so beautiful, really big and orange. Look amazing. We're lucky that we come here and see the sunset. Do a little bit cleaning, but at the end I just lazy to make the video. And yeah, we set up some fire because it's getting cold. My husband worked on the truck, and this is his mom's house, so it's my mother-in-law house. Yeah, so we set up the little space. This was nice. Right now my mother-in-law go prepare some chicken so we can grill some chicken later, you know. But it's really nice. I love the view. The view looks so nice down there. This is a big tree. There's a lot of smoke. That's my husband right there, changing his brake pad. And I can smell your mom's food. Keep right cooking the chicken soup. Oh.
Yes.
We put the seed, the one is doesn't pop, and we put in there.
¿Qué es amigo de David?
Careful, buddy.
¿Ves ese dulce de calabaza? Ya casi se cose. Dice jáltate porque no tardemos.
Oh wow.
Probably we need more tortillas.
I don't really eat tortilla, but
Oh no?
no, I don't.
But if you like, yeah.
Only ever eat
Okay.
tortilla.
Okay.
Adrian eats tortillas. So cool. So cool. This one's so cool.
Thank you, buddy. Looks so good. My mother-in-law cooked the chicken for us. Right there. And wow, look. This looks so good. Wow. Some fire. Huh?
It's not done.
No.
Yeah, almost done.
Food, buddy?
Look. What kind of?
Yeah, there's a lot of food here. See? How much cook for us?
Oh, yeah, Mama.
Wow. Grandma
Wait,
make
what
a lot of food.
This. Mama had this. Apple.
Yeah, go for it.
No, maybe. Daddy, look. Fresh food. Look, see? Grandma bring a food.
Okay, you go first. What do you want?
What is this?
Here. You this one the toaster. You have to go in here first.
No,
No,
here,
you already. Oh, you make it.
and I drink another.
Oh, here.
What can you put it?
No, don't put it. Don't put it. Here, your plate. Here. You want tortilla? Yes or no?
Daddy.
For daddy?
For me.
Tortilla or no?
Yes.
Okay, go. Chicken there.
Chicken.
Go to chicken. And you use this thing, grab your chicken. Got it?
That's so tiny.
Yeah.
I don't
Grab
know.
your chicken. Grab it. Let me help. Give me help. You need help?
Yeah.
Yeah, then give me.
Here, look, the tortilla. Look your
Tortilla.
tortilla.
Maybe just put under the fire.
Yes.
It's burning.